mag-andam na ta! Char! Get ready with me. Actually, have an event with BLK. It's the launch of BLK X-Ray. Alam niyo, honestly, kinakabahan ako kasi wala akong kasama. I realized ko yun, it's been a while since I did a Chika Get Ready With Me, kaya here we are. To color correct my under eyes, I'm using the peach corrector from Popic in the shade medium peach. I'm actually running a bit late kasi kaagising ko lang, kakauwi ko lang din kasi from Greenbelt. I took a power nap kasi para talaga akong na-benching kanina sa Din Tai Fung. Lagi talaga ako inaantok after ko kumain dun. In case you guys will ask pa what concealer I'm using, this one is from Dior in the shade 3N. For base, I'm just gonna go with this Sola foundation. Nakabahan talaga ako to go to the event because hindi ko alam if alam nyo to, but I actually have social anxiety. And contrary to what you see online, I am actually an introvert. I am not the best with small talk, which is honestly a struggle for me, especially with the type of industry that I'm feeling. Pero gets with the life that I have, that I talk to the camera, I go to events, ganon. It's kind of hard to be an introvert and not be good at small talk. There was a time that my social anxiety was really bad na hindi talaga ako nag-attend ng events for a while kasi super natakot lang talaga ako. And I understand that it's hard for people to believe that I'm an introvert whenever I tell them that because again nga of how I present myself online. Pero kasi that's the thing, I'm comfortable to talk in front of the camera because it's just me and the camera but there's nobody else here. You know what I mean? Although I feel like if you met me naman in real life, nakachika ko na talaga kayo because it's me trying to get over that or trying to at least do better. Pero promise, after every encounter that I have with new people, ino-overthink ko talaga yung situation, ganon. I never posted about this, pero last year to celebrate my birthday, I spent it sa parang orphanage or parang home ng mga cancer survivors, cancer warriors. And nagpakain ako doon, nagbigay rin ako ng gifts for all the kids, and sinabi ni bossing sa akin na kailangan ko magbigay ng speech. Or basta like ipakilala yung sarili ko, talk to the kids in front of everybody, ganon. Alam niyo yung nangyari? Nanginig ako. Wasn't able to speak in front of the kids and in front of the parents. As in, nasa gilid lang ako and I asked bossing, like, I begged him. I was like, please be the one to do it kasi super takot talaga ako. Nanginginig talaga ako kahit si bossing nag-alala na sa akin. Kahit ako, honestly, medyo nagulat ako sa sarili ko because I've done hosting gigs before. I've also spoken in front of crowds like many times, especially nung college. But the time talaga, I froze. I couldn't do it. Ayun, if ever you meet me in person, sorry na lang in advance if medyo awkward ako. Also, can I just say, speaking of meeting you guys in person, ever since I got back home from Cebu, I would meet you guys in the mall or basta kung saan-saan. Guys, tawang-tawa ako because when you guys say hi to me, yung next question you is, kamusta yung lips nyo? Yung personality ko na lang talaga ang Kylie Jenner lips allergy ko. Kanina ko lang talaga na-realize na yun na nga pala yung tinatanong ng mga tao sa akin whenever they see me. Kasi while I was in Breton earlier, yung server, binibigyan ako ng water and then bigla niya tinanong, ma'am, okay na ba yung lips mo? Oh my God, ate! Pero alam nyo, doon ko na-realize na sobrang cute ng community natin kasi talagang kinamusta nyo talaga ako. Oh my God, sino ba naman ako, te? I just wanna say, salamat kaayo sa tanan na nag-comment and niingon na lipay kaayo mo whenever I speak in Bisaya. Honestly, it was so refreshing for me to just keep speaking in Bisaya kasi alam ko, pag uwi ko sa Manila, wala na akong kausap na ganun. Balik na ako sa mga Batanggenyo. Wow, ang feeling! This is my favorite eyeshadow pen from Kiko Milano. Ito yung gamit ko lagi sa inner corners ko. Using another shade for my eyelids naman. This is one of the best setting sprays I've ever tried. Ako lang talaga yung feeling na parang hairspray yung nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. Absidy lip liner in the shade Sweetheart. My favorite BLK lip liner in the shade Dream Girl na parang wala na atang laman. Please. Kaya pa to. Naniniwala ako. Diba? Super ganda ng lip tint na to. Again, this is from BLK in the shade Dream Girl. And this is the final look. Bye! Love, love!